Most people think you need $1 million to live off dividends. They think passive income is only for the ultra-wealthy. But they're wrong. There is a lazy shortcut that lets you start making $100 a month way faster than you think. Now, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick crypto scheme or a risky gamble. I'm talking about a proven, boring, and incredibly effective system used by the world's most successful investors. I've spent hundreds of hours studying dividend growth and portfolio construction, so you don't have to. In this video, I'm handing you the exact blueprint for the lazy portfolio. I'll show you exactly which assets to buy, how to automate the process, and the fastest path to that first $100 every single month. No complex spreadsheets, no 40-hour work weeks, just a simple system to build your financial freedom while you sleep. Let's dive in. Let's be real. Most of us are trapped in the time for money loop. You work 40, 50, maybe 60 hours a week. And the second you stop working, the money stops flowing. That's not wealth. That's just a high-stress treadmill. Now, you've probably looked into passive income, but you've hit a wall. You see these gurus talking about living off dividends, but then you do the math. They tell you that you need $1 million in the bank just to make a decent living. It feels impossible. So you do what most people do. You leave your money in a savings account. But while your bank pays you pennies, inflation is eating your purchasing power alive. Your money is literally shrinking while it sits there. Or you try to dive into the stock market, and it feels like a casino. Thousands of companies, complex charts, the constant fear of picking the wrong stock and watching your hard-earned savings vanish overnight. You're stuck between a job you tolerate and a financial goal that feels like a fantasy. You want the freedom, but you don't have the time to become a full-time day trader. It feels like the game is rigged for people who are already rich. But that's because you've been taught the hard way to invest. So, how do we actually do this without spending 10 hours a day staring at stock charts? Welcome to the lazy portfolio. The secret isn't finding a moonshot stock. It's about owning a piece of companies that are already winning. First, let's clear something up. What is a dividend? Think of it as a thank you check. When a company makes a profit, they can either keep it or share it with the owners. You are the owner. Now let's do the math. To make $100 a month, you need $1,200 a year. If your portfolio has an average dividend yield of 4%, you need roughly $30,000 invested. Now, $30K sounds like a lot. But here is where the lazy part comes in. You don't need that money today. You just need a system. Most beginners make the mistake of trying to pick individual stocks. They spend weeks reading balance sheets. That's not lazy. That's a second job. Instead, we use dividend ETFs. An ETF is like a pre-made basket of the best dividend-paying companies. Instead of betting on one horse, you're betting on the entire race. If you want to build this stream from scratch, here is your 3-step lazy blueprint. Step 1, the vessel. You need a brokerage account. Use a platform that allows for fractional shares. This means if a stock costs $400, but you only have $50, you can still buy a piece of it. Step 2, the asset. Look for dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have increased their dividends every single year for at least 25 years. They are the gold standard of stability. Step 3, the engine. This is the most important part. It's called DRIP. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Instead of taking that $5 or $10 dividend and spending it on a coffee, you tell your broker to automatically buy more shares. This creates a compound interest loop. Your dividends buy more shares, which pay more dividends, which buy even more shares. You aren't just saving money anymore. You're building a money printing machine that works while you sleep. Now, the biggest hurdle isn't the strategy. It's where you actually put your money. To get started with this lazy portfolio, I recommend using the links in the description for Interactive Brokers or eToro. They make automating your dividends seamless. I also use a specific dividend tracker to keep everything organized. It lets you see exactly when your next payment hits. Imagine waking up on the first of the month and seeing an extra $100 in your account. That's not just cash. That's a utility bill paid, a nice dinner, or the smartest move, reinvesting it to hit $200, then $500 a month. The lazy way works because it doesn't require your constant attention. It just requires you to start. If you're ready to build your own passive income stream, hit that subscribe button and use the links below to open your account today. Let's get your money working for you.